Okay, so in this video we're going to be talking about your digestive system. The microphone. Okay, so the immune system, I'm going to say was pretty pathetic. I wonder it only has 3 views, but I know a lot more about this. So first we got, of course, that everyone knows, the mouth. At the start of the digestive system. I know I'm really bad at drawing. Here are the teeth. Nom 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 nom. Next, it goes down the esophagus, mostly known as throat. Esophagus. Yep, there's text. Let's put it right there. Esophagus. The esophagus. Right here. Now, do one here. The mouth. Coming in right here. The esophagus comes in to the stomach. The stomach. Now, let's draw some timelines. Let's draw some timelines. So, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. It goes in there for 10 seconds. Now it stays in the stomach for 3 hours. Like, out just a long time. It goes through the cardia, the opening muscle. Next, it goes out the pylorus into the small intestine. The small intestine in a normal adult is 7 meters long. Like, what? That's like 20 feet. That's like 4 times as tall as you. Wait, if you're 6 feet... No, it's only 3 times. Math sneaks up on you. But 3 hours. It takes 17 hours to get past the small intestine. So when it gets to the big intestine, it's about 20 hours. Yes, and I'm going to draw the labels. Then, when it gets to the butt, it's 32 hours. Or should I say anus? I should call it anus. Not like butt. Too childish. Thing is about the small intestine, when you go inside, it's so wrinkly with the villi, so it can soak up more nutrients. And it takes long, so it's like, stop, give me all your nutrients. But the big intestine, it's just a straight path, just taking the leftover water. The big intestine. I always thought that sounded weird. So you also spend 12 hours in the big intestine. The thing is, the only way the stomach is less than the size of your fist before eating, but after eating, I think it can go 20 times than that. Like, what? Ah. No. Don't fall on the microphone. Put my mouth, look at them. Next, it's wrinkly at the beginning. But there's this one kind of bacteria, when they die, it squirts out an enzyme that's resistant to the stomach acid. So, and then the other of that virus or bacteria coats it on them to stay safe in the stomach. It's the bacteria called Helicobacter pylori. It can cause stomach cancer, so ouch if you do it. Also, the way that the stomach walls get protected from acid is that when it sends mucus down on the walls. But there's two things called peristalsis, peristalsis is when the muscles squeeze and loosen to get food down or push it forward along the digestive system. Peristalsis will get the food from the esophagus to the stomach. But it's also stuff called segmental movement. No. Segmental movement is when stomach moves and flexes and moves and mixes the different food. Now, these are two really cool things. But the thing about the pylorus and the other door, which name I forgot. Dang it. You can't open it. Like, when you go stomping around, like, listen to me. Your autonomic nervous system will still just take care of the pylorus opening and closing. It's really foolproof if you don't have indigestion. But there are other things, though. There are 100 trillion bacteria just before you reach the anus, which is just like, what the? But they're friendly bacteria. The harmful version of it can cause food poisoning. E. coli. But they break down fiber, special deliveries, cleaning up. Not the cleaning up and special deliveries part, but you know how. But that just gives you an example of how helpful they are. So on the butt, like 100 trillion. That's, by the way, trillion is a million millions. That's even more than the cells in your body. You have 37.9 trillion cells in your body. You have 100 trillion bacteria before your anus. But doesn't that technically mean that they're part of the cells? Let's just move on. I'm recording right now. We got this. Now, let's see. 100 trillion. So that's basically all on the digestive system. Oh, by the way, a cool thing about the circulatory system, the blood vessel must go to the liver before the heart. Everything, whoop, whoop, then heart. Huh. Well, that's all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. No. I don't want to click share. How do I stop this? Nope. Sign.